Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. For this video, I will talk about matrix formula for dot product. So, I will proceed with matrix formula for dot product. Okay, so for matrix formula for dot product, we have two formula. First is this: U bar dot V bar equal to U bar transpose V bar, or U bar dot V bar equal to V bar transpose U bar, and the other one is A U bar dot V bar equal to V bar transpose bracket A U bar close bracket equal to V bar transpose A U bar equal to bracket V bar transpose A bracket U bar. So first I will give the examples for this first formula. So given that U bar is 731 and V bar is 468, and I will proceed with the first formula. So U bar dot V bar equal to U bar transpose V bar. So okay, we do the dot product first. So okay, U bar dot V bar. So we copy back the U bar and V bar. And the answer that we got, for dot product, we have to multiply with itself. So if we create 7, so 7 multiplied with 4, 3 multiplied with 6 plus 1 multiplied by 8, and the answer is 54. So we need to prove that this answer is is the same with this. So we do for the U bar transpose V bar. Okay. For U bar transpose, that means we need to change this column into row. So U bar transpose will be like this: 731, and we copy back the V bar. Okay, so for multiplication product, we need to take the we need to make sure that they have this for this part. We need to this column for this part and this row for this part is the same. So if we do, it has one row, 3 column, and 3 row and 1 column. So as you can see, this has the same, so we can proceed in multiplication product. So if we calculate it, we get 54. So as you can see that the final answer for U dot V bar equal to U bar transpose V transpose, which is 54. So I will do next I will do with this formula, because this has been proved earlier, this. So we do the V bar transpose U bar. So for V transpose, we need to transpose the V bar from column into row. So if we say 4, 6, 8, then the U bar is 731. So the final answer is 54. As usual, you need to check the this condition. So you can see this and this will be the answer is the same. So for this formula, we can see that we can choose either formula to use based on the question, condition, and situation that has been given. So we proceed with the second formula. Before I did mention, right, that A is a n by n matrix. So we do exercise to understand more. So if we given that A matrices is this, and U bar is 315 and V bar is 2 negative 14. So we will do this, and this. I don't do this because it will give answer with this. Also this. Okay, first we need to do the A U bar dot V bar. For this, we need to find A U bar first. So A U bar, we copy this matrix, negative 3, 4, negative 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, negative 2, 1, and we multiply it with U bar, 3, 1, 5. So the final answer, D is 3 by 3 matrices and D is 3 by 1 matrices. So the answer should be in 3 by 1 matrices. So the answer that I got after do multiplication product is negative 10, 51 and 18. So it proved that it has 3 row and 1 column. So after that, we do the AU bar dot V bar. So we copy the AU bar that we got this, and our V bar is 2, negative 1, 4. So the final answer is 1. As you know, for the product we need to multiply itself. Okay, so we need to find this V bar transpose AU. So V bar transpose bracket AU bar, and we have find that AU bar is negative 10, 51 and 18. So V transpose is mean that we need to change it from column into row. So V bar transpose AU bar equal to V bar V transpose if 1, 4, negative 10, 51 and 18. So multiplication must match the condition to proceed multiplication product. So the final answer is 1. Okay, then I will do for this. So V bar transpose A U bar. So we need to find V bar transpose A. So V bar transpose A equal to V bar is 2, negative 1, 4, and matrices A, we copy it back as a negative 3, 4, negative 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, negative 2, 1. So we do the multiplication product, and the answer that we got is 10, negative 9, negative 4. So after we find the V bar transpose A, we multiply it with U bar. So copy back it, and our U bar is 315, and we do the multiplication product, and we get the answer 1. Okay, from the example that I have do before this, and the answer for this is 1, and this also 1, and this also 1, and this is also 1. So we can conclude that all of the formula can turn out be the same answer. So we can choose what formula we want to use based on situation and question. Okay, before I end my video, so I will tell you the difference between dot product of two matrices and multiplication product of two matrices. So the difference is for multiplication product of two matrices, we involve transpose with the symbol is T, and while for the dot product of two matrices, we does not use involve transpose. And for information, dot product of the matrices will be the answer will be in whole number. Okay, that's all from this video about matrix formula of dot product, and thank you.